What if your TV wasn't just a screen, but the actual brain of your entire home? For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the gold standard for streaming, but it always felt like it was holding something back. That is all about to change. We're looking at a massive shift that turns this little black box from a simple media player into an AI-powered powerhouse. The rumors for the 2026 Apple TV 4K are finally here, and they point to the biggest hardware and software leap we have ever seen. If you've been waiting for a reason to upgrade, this is it. The headline story here is the chip. Word on the street is that Apple is skipping several generations to put the A17 Pro inside the new Apple TV. Now, the current model uses the A15, which is already fast. But this move isn't just about making Netflix open a millisecond quicker. The A17 Pro is the magic key that unlocks Apple Intelligence. Right now, your TV is one of the only devices in the Apple ecosystem left out of the AI revolution. By bringing this chip to the living room, Apple is turning your television into a contextual genius. Imagine a version of Siri that actually works. We have all struggled with voice commands that fail or feel clunky. With the new LLM-powered Siri and Apple Intelligence, the remote becomes a magic wand. This new Siri will have on-screen awareness. That means it knows exactly what you are looking at. If you're watching a game and ask, "Who is that player?" it won't just give you a generic search result. It will know the specific frame of the video and give you live stats instantly. It can summarize plots, explain complex scenes, or even find that one specific moment in a YouTube video you're looking for. This AI integration also makes the Apple TV the ultimate smart home hub. This is where things get really cool. Imagine you are deep into a movie and someone rings your smart doorbell. Right now, you might get a notification, but with a new update, you can just tell your remote to let them in. Because the Apple TV has personal context, it knows which door you mean and who is standing there. It bridges the gap between your security cameras, your lights, and your entertainment seamlessly. It makes the smart home feel actually smart for the first time. On the visual side, we are hearing big things about Dolby Vision 2.0. Apple has always pushed the limits of picture quality, but this takes it to a professional level. The standout feature here is Precision Black. If you have ever watched a dark, moody show and struggled to see what was happening, this is the fix. It improves clarity in shadows without washing out the colors. There is also a feature called Light Sense. It uses sensors to see how bright your room is and adjusts the HDR metadata in real time. Whether you're watching in a sunny living room or a dark theater, the picture will stay perfect. Connection is also getting a massive boost with the N1 networking chip. This is the same tech rumored for the iPhone 17. It handles Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Thread all in one place. For the user, this means your AirPlay will be rock solid. No more stuttering when you beam a video from your phone. It also means your smart home devices will respond faster. When you tap a button on your phone to dim the lights, it will happen instantly because the Apple TV Hub is more efficient than ever. One of the most talked about rumors is the addition of a built-in camera. Apple might actually release two versions, a standard 4K and a Pro model. Currently, if you want to use FaceTime on your TV, you have to prop up your iPhone near the screen. It is awkward. A built-in camera with center stage would change everything. It would follow you as you move around the room during a call. This turns the living room into a communication hub for the whole family. With the recent updates to tvOS, the software is already prepared for this hardware. Finally, for the true tech nerds, audio pass-through is finally coming. This has been a huge request for years. Most high-end home theater owners use a dedicated receiver. In the past, the Apple TV insisted on decoding the audio itself, which could lead to compatibility issues with certain formats. With audio pass-through, the Apple TV just sends the raw data to your receiver and lets your high-end speakers do the heavy lifting. It is a small change that makes a world of difference for sound quality. My honest opinion on this? This is the first time in a decade that the Apple TV feels like a mandatory purchase rather than a luxury. Most people keep their streaming boxes for 5 years or more because the hardware doesn't change much. But Apple Intelligence and the A17 Pro change the math. This isn't just a faster version of the old TV. It is a brand new type of device. It is a home controller, a communication center, and a cinema-grade player all in one. If the price stays around $129 for the base model, it will be the best value in tech for 2026. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech. What do you think about the built-in camera? Is it a game changer or a privacy concern? Let us know in the comments.